Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check your serial number on iOS 26. To check the serial number, go to the settings. Now in the settings, go to general. Now you can go to about and you'll see the serial number here. This is the unique number that every iPhone has different, of course, and it can be used to identify the specific device, its model, and all of its components if you need that. So whenever you need the serial number, you can use it right from here. Feel free to press and hold on it and copy it if you need. I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.